Try it. See if you like it. If she likes it, I'm gonna make her the sandwich, and I will tell you how to. Do you like it? Yes. This is delicious. I'll make you one. Okay, you're gonna need bread. Doesn't really matter what kind, whatever kind you like the best. Don't. We're running out of marshmallow cream. Do not eat it.
Okay, I won't.
You just smell some beef.
Same brand. No one will ever know.
Okay, Brie, you're gonna have to do it, because I'm not doing that.
Oh, hey, the TV's on.
Yes, the TV is on. Oh, I almost.
Hold the What are you doing?
Camera, can you see the? Yeah. Okay.
So, first, as you can see, bread, peanut butter, spreading. Yeah.
Delicious. This is. Wait. Do you want a lot, a little, or middle with peanut butter?
Middle.
Okay, then I put enough.
Good.
We're running out of marshmallow cream. How much marshmallow cream would you like? A lot, a little, or middle?
I don't really care.
Okay, I'll put a lot. It's the best.
Okay. But I'm gonna try to get these marshmallows on the floor.
You're gonna try to put marshmallows on the floor.
Yeah.
Okay. Have fun trying to. What the hell? Turn off the TV.
It's fucking delicious.
Exactly. God damn it. We're running so low on marshmallow cream. Okay, and if you try to sneak any marshmallow cream while I'm not looking, I will watch this video after and I will kill you. I'm struggling here.
It's on fire!
Why? Oh my god. You are so weird. I'm gonna pick this up and do it now.
See this?
What? Okay, here, try that. Okay.
Did I turn the stove off?
I'm pretty sure. Yeah, you did. Is it good? You made it like a taco. What the heck? It's not supposed to. You frustrate me.
Good.
Okay, well, I'm licking this now.
I want the ball with more peanut butter. I'm gonna put more peanut butter.
Have fun.
Oh god, I can't get it apart. I can't get it apart.
Well, that sucks because now you can't put any more on it. That's why I do not fold mine like that.
Anyway. Oh, it's okay.
I have marshmallow in my hair.
This is like ghetto sandwich right here. This is one ghetto sandwich on my hair.
Okay, well, now this knife's going in the sink. So
Ghetto.
Crap. I have marshmallow in my hair. Okay.
We should probably go take a shower.
No.
Never. I don't bake. I'm too high maintenance for that.
Exactly. No, kidding. Okay, I guess I just left it there. You can stop it if you want, because I'm doing this.
I'm doing this. off, it went dead.
Did it?
No. Okay, no, it didn't go dead. Okay, good.
Look, viewers.
Oh,
So, yeah, that's it.
bye.
Oh, in case you're wondering, I'm Nikki.
I'm Chloe. Bye.
Yeah,
Oh, wait.
whatever.